All right, welcome to today's Tech Talk Tuesday. Today's video, we're gonna go ahead and show you how to produce your own set of test pipes, also known as cat delete pipes, for your second generation Dodge Vipers. So we went ahead and ordered all these parts from Summit Racing. I'll go ahead and put links in the description below for each of these components, but we've basically got a 4-foot section of 3-inch exhaust pipe. We got some exhaust reducers to go from 3.5 to 2.5, and we've got some new clamps, of course. And then the tools that we're gonna be using is we've got our chop saw, our exhaust pipe expander, and then a Sawzall just in case. So we'll go ahead and show you how we're gonna go through this process. All right, so the first step of this process is to cut the cat off of the 90-degree bend. We could order a new 90-degree with a new flex joint, but I didn't feel like doing that. It's a lot easier to just go ahead and cut this cat off and use that 90-degree as our starting point. So let's go ahead and get that cut off. All right, there we go. We got the cat cut off. So now that we got this cut off, we'll go ahead and install this back in the car after we file off the edges a little bit because they are a little sharp. So we'll get those filed off, get this reinstalled in the car, and then we can go ahead and start taking measurements for making the replacement pipe. All right, so now that we've got the 90-degree elbow in place and mocked up and the rear muffler mocked up, we can go ahead and take our measurement for how long the new pipe is gonna be to replace that catalytic converter. Now in my case, I measured it, it's gonna be about 17 inches long, but go ahead and measure for your own situation because the mufflers could be different. There's a number of factors, and the last thing you want is to use my measurement and end up with a pipe that's not the right length, and you gotta scrap that one, start over. So let's go ahead, cut that pipe and get it in there and see how everything works out. Now, unfortunately, I neglected to record the next part of the process, which is after I cut the exhaust pipe to length, I went ahead and put 4 slits on one end so I could go ahead and then expand the exhaust pipe using this tubing expanding tool, and expanded it to the point where I can go ahead and slip it over the end of the 90-degree elbow. And so this is what the final assembly looks like. And as you can see, everything is nice and clean and buttoned up really nice, and it worked out really well. All right, so now it's starting to get a little warm out today, so we're not gonna go ahead and do the passenger side today. We'll save that on another day, but the process is gonna be exactly the same as it was here on the driver's side. Stay tuned for a future video where we go ahead and do new heat shielding over the exhaust system to help give us an additional thermal barrier, so that way the car and the paint is protected, as well as reducing interior temperatures of the vehicle. But that's today's video. I hope you found this information useful. As always, if you did, don't forget to smash that like button, give me that thumbs up, helps me out with that YouTube algorithm. And if you want to be kept updated with all my future uploads, don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below and ring that notification bell as well, so that YouTube will keep you up to date with all my future uploads. And as always, guys, I will see you the next video.